Hi, book friends. This book is called Things That Go, and it's a sound book. We'll be able to hear how a car sounds, a train sounds, and even an airplane. Let's open the book. Are you ready? Here we go. Can you hear all the sounds in the town today? Peep, peep, goes the whistle. Can you see the whistle? Right there. The fox is blowing the whistle. And the morning train rumbles out of the station. Wow, that's a very powerful sound. And there goes a beautiful town. Do you see the houses in the back? And all the little animals going here and there with bags and suitcases, backpacks. I see a little frog and a little turtle. There's even a chick on a stroller. Oh, with mommy hen. Whoa. A bus arrives with a beep. Then the door opens up. Clunkety clunk. Vroom goes the car as it drives away. Oh, that is such a cute little honk. Let's hear that again. And there's a ducky driving the car. And it looks like it's a bear driving the bus. And a bunny family, a penguin and a doggy are getting in. What else do you see? Do you see the sleeping cub? Yeah, right there in the stroller. And there's an alligator driving a scooter. I see a kitty peeking out the window. And there's boats. Wow. It's a beautiful town. Down by the sea, a little boat toots its horn as the seagulls call. Do you see all the seagulls? They're everywhere because they love fish. A water scooter zooms off across the waves. Splash, splash, splash. Wow, that looks like lots of fun, going fast. So that's the fishing boat. And there's a sailboat. And even a cruise ship in the back. That's a big, big, big boat. Oh, the ocean is so beautiful. I see little crabs. There's even a little mouse enjoying the sea. At the building site, a dump truck slowly reverses, then unloads lots of rocks. Crash! This busy digger is drilling a deep hole in the ground. Construction sites are so interesting. You always see a dump truck. And this is a cool digger. Look at that hole. And there's wheelbarrows and cement mixers and all sorts of pipes. Lots to do when you're building. Out in the fields, a tractor trundles to a stop. But there's still something noisy up in the sky. Can you hear the plane flying past? Oh, I've heard that before. Look how cool this tractor is. I love the color. green and it's making squiggly lines in the soil. Maybe they're getting ready to plant. Do you see the sunflowers? They're so bright. Oh, I love the farm. So this town has it all, doesn't it? It has a tractor. There's also a plane. What else does the town have? The digger? And the dump truck? Ooh, out in the ocean, there's a fishing boat. And the ski jet. And out in town, there's the bus. And the cute little car. And the train station has the whistle blower. Maybe a train station conductor. Maybe it drives a train too and has a whistle and keeps everything going nice and smooth. And of course that's the train conductor in the train. And we can hear the train too. Oh, I enjoyed all the sounds in this book, but I think my favorite is the little car. Do you have a favorite sound? Well, I hope that you enjoyed this book. Until next time, bye book friends.